Welcome to ABTARA house. I'm Bubuu, happy you're here. Hi, Bubuu. Hi, Ellie.
Look what I invented!
Wow, who brought this beautiful picnic blanket? Maybe one of our friends is coming. Let's wait and see. I brought yummy snacks for our picnic today. Let's have a picnic together.
Let's have a picnic together.
Wait here, friends. I'll bring yummy treats for our picnic.
Let's pack some yummy treats for everyone. Everything is ready.
Hello, Bubuu. I brought a fun surprise for our picnic.
Come on, Leo. Let's join our friends.
Yay!
Now we're almost ready for our picnic.
I'm so excited! Let's have our picnic together! Everything is ready! Let's enjoy our yummy picnic together! Look what I have for we're all together! Let's enjoy these together picnic!
Wow!
This is the best picnic ever!
I agree, Ellie.
Wow! A magical key! I wonder what it opens. Look! Look! The magic key is showing us the way! Wow!
The magic key knows exactly where to go.
Wow! It's opening! Look! Everything is glowing! Look! The castle is showing us the way!
You came. Our kingdom needs your help.
Our rainbow crystal has been stolen. Without it, the magic of our kingdom is disappearing. The rainbow crystal's magic trail begins here, in the rainbow forest. Follow the glowing path and you may find the first clue. Only hearts filled with kindness can awaken the rainbow crystal. Wow! bubbles. That wasn't the right one. The real one is still hiding. I think we found it. I think this is the one. We found it! The castle is waking up. We did it! Let's go! Wow, it's so beautiful. I think the compass is giving us a clue. We're getting closer. Let's find the next note. We did it!
Oh no, which one now?
We're almost there. Only 2 more. One last note.
This is the one!
We unlocked it. It's beautiful.
Who work together may receive the rainbow heart.
Let's do it together. We did it together. We did it. Which one is the real rainbow heart? They all look real. Look, this one shows all of us. What was that? A dragon.
We don't want to fight. We're your friends.
You chose kindness instead of fighting. Only heroes may continue.
You passed the test. The compass is even stronger now.
Your next adventure awaits.
The sky portal is becoming unstable.
Hold on, everyone. Together, we can calm the portal. The portal is safe again.
The Sky Kingdom is waiting for you.
Let's go together. Don't let go. We made it. Wow, the Sky Kingdom is beautiful. I think it wants to show us something. How do we do that? Let's solve this together. Fill every bowl with its matching color. A color challenge! They're playing hide and seek! Can you help us? Which color belongs in the blue bowl? Oops! Can you help us? Which cloud is yellow?
There it is! Great job!
Awesome! Can you help us? Which leaf is green? You found it! Great job! You did it! We brought all the colors back! Wow! Look what your help created! Should we ride the rainbow elevator? I see so many fun shapes. I wonder what's inside. We need your help to open the castle. Which one is the circle? That's right! The circle opened the door! Come on! Wow! This castle is amazing! Can you help us? Which key is the star? That's right! It's... Can you help us? Which key is the square? That's right! The square key! Great helping! 2 keys are left. Can you help us? Which key is the triangle? That's right! The triangle key! Fantastic! Can you tell us what key is? Is it a circle? That's right! It's a circle! Wow! We unlocked the secret crystal room! Wow! It's magical! I wonder what's inside. The treasure chest is about to open! Wow, a magic learning book! I think our next adventure starts here. The magic learning book wants to show us something. Look, it's number 1!
Our next adventure is learning numbers. Let's count together. How many numbers do you see? That's right, 1! 1! I can't wait to see what's next.
Can you find number 2? That's right! Number 2!
Great job! Let's see the next number. Can you count 2 stars? That's right! 2 stars! You're doing an amazing job counting with us. How many do you see?
3 butterflies.
3 butterflies!
Wonderful counting! Our adventure continues!
Can you count the balloons with us? How many balloons do you see? Fantastic countings! Let's discover the next number.
Can you count the stars with us? How many stars do you see?
5!
Fantastic counting! Let's learn another number. Can you count the crystal gems with us? How many gems do you see?
6!
Wonderful counting! Let's discover another number.
Can you count the flowers with me? Wonderful! There are 7 flowers! 7!
Yay!
Can you count the crystal gems with me? Wonderful! There are 8 crystal gems!
Yay! Can you count count the crystal stars with me? Wonderful! There are 9 crystal stars! 9! Yay! Can you count the rainbow stars with me? Amazing! There are 10 rainbow stars! 10! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic! You counted all the way to 10.
Yay! Amazing job! You counted all the way from 1 to 10.
Yay!
Thank you for learning with us today. We'll see you again on our next magical adventure. Goodbye!